Can these tiny needles help for hair growth? Yes. Traditional Chinese acupuncture points located on the scalp and body can influence the hair growth. Watch our full video for more information.
Hair loss, weak or thinning hair, often signals an imbalance in the body that needs attention. In Ayurveda, we offer medications to balance the imbalance Pitta dosha and do Panchakarma treatments like Shirodhara, head massages, Shirovasti and Shirolepa like treatments. But for some patients, we have to do some extra work, some special treatments. In such cases, I do acupuncture needling. So today, I will share you how I treat for hair loss with using acupuncture in my clinic. Let's see.
In traditional Chinese medicine, hair loss is often attributed to imbalance in the body's vital energy or qi, and the organs associated with hair growth, especially the kidney and lung. Acupuncture hair loss treatment frequently involves stimulating specific acupuncture points on the body and scalp. Stimulation of these points promote hair regrowth by improving blood circulation, decreasing inflammation, and increasing qi flow. Normally, I do my acupuncture treatments in the morning sessions because it gives more time the patient's body to rebalance the qi energy and will have more relaxation all day. I just need acupuncture needles, alcohol swabs, and clean hands. Some patients experience a feeling of faintness during acupuncture treatments, which is often referred as a vasovagal response or needle shock. Some of them feel clammy hands and nausea. So for the comfortable and safety, lie down the patient, relax, and start my treatment. First, I clean the scalp crown area, then start needling. Due 20 point, the governing point. Then I needle extra 6 point. Extra 6 point. This includes 4 needles surrounding the due 20 point. Next, stomach 8. This also needs 2 needles, either side of your forehead. Then I needle due 23, another local point on the scalp. As I have mentioned earlier, lung and kidney organs influence the hair growth. So I use LI4, lung 4 point. It is a distal point for front of the head according to Chinese acupuncture. Finally, I use kidney 3 point. It is also a distal point for hair. Put 2 eye pads and keep the patients for about half an hour. After half an hour, remove the needles. Check for any complications from the patient. If no any complication, tell him or her to come every other day. We have to continue this treatment at least 1 month to see a visible change in patient's hair growth. Along with this treatment, common diet with essential vitamins and minerals have to take as usual.
If you are tired trying so many treatments for hair loss but couldn't find a solution, I think this video will be helpful to you. Go to your nearest acupuncture clinic and discuss about your treatment today. Good luck. Thank you for watching.